all, I want to say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala that always gives His mercy, bless, and joyful. The topic of our presentation is coal power plant. Dear audience, let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Handayani. I am the second semester of Elektro department. And then let me introduce my friend. The first is Agus Setiawan. He will be the first speaker. And then Widi Winarto. He will be the second speaker. And then Imam Akbari. He will be the third speaker. And the last Fitri Setiawan. Okay, audience. The first speaker will present his story of coal power plant. Please, Mr. Agus Setiawan, the floor is yours.
Historical power plant in the world. In 1882, Thomas Edison using superheated steam wind engine dynamo AC in New York. In 1888, Nikola Tesla introducing polyphase system transmission. In 1884, Sir Charles Russell made first AC, alternative current turbine generator. In 1886, Warner von Siemens introducing of the dynamo for power generation. Historical power plant in Indonesia. In 1962, with a capacity of 25 megawatts, the temperature 500 Celsius, pressure of 65 kilograms, useful bioenergy. In 1984, in Surabaya, with capacity of 40 megawatt, and developed the 5 until 7 with capacity 600 megawatt or unit cost coal energy. Steam power plant is a plant connected to the system generation turbine driven with the kinetic power.
Alright, audience. First speaker has finished his presentation. Give your applause. And it will be continued. The second speaker, please, Mr. Widi Winarto. The floor is yours.
Okay, audience. Well, we can next. Well, we can see this image. In the process of energy conversion in the plant progresses through 3 stages. First, the chemical energy in the fuel is converted into heat energy in the form of vapor, pressure, and high temperature air. 2. Both thermal energy, steam, is converted into mechanical energy in the form of run. Third, the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Steam power plants are used steam water pumping, fluid circulation in the closed cyclus bands using the same fluid repeated.
Okay, thanks Mr. Widi Winarto. Okay, audience, the second speaker has finished his presentation and it will be continued the third speaker and he will present process part 1 and 2. Please, Mr. Imam Akbari, the floor is yours.
The water fire enter the boiler. Weather valid, the enter surface area of heat transfer. Weather in the boiler is heat with hot gas of combination of fuel with air that turns in steam. Second, vapor pressures and temperature output are direct to turbine that result in mechanical power in the form of a run that will eventually pilot the first turbine. Second turbine will move into the second. It increases the speed of the turbine or output to move up and filled with steam turbine. Thank you.
Give your applause. Okay, the third speaker has finished his presentation and it will be the last speaker, and he will present process part 2 and 4. Please, Mr. Fitri Setiawan, the floor is yours.
Three, the generators coupled directly to the turbine spinning produce electricity as a result of the rotating magnetic field in the coil, so that when the turbine rotates, electric energy generated from the generator output. 4. The farmer train and train the turbine exit condensator to collect it with cooling water in order to throw into water collected condensated water before condensation is used again a filter water boiler. Thank you.
Okay, give your applause. Okay, audience, it's time for you to give your comment or questions. I will divide to 2 pens, and first part is for 3 persons. 1 person can give 1 comment or 1 question. Thanks.
Yes, I have any question. My name is Widianto. I am the second semester of Elektro department. My question is, when is the first meet core power plant in the world? Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Setiawan, please.
Yes, this answer from Mr. Widianto. Met historical power plant first in the world from Thomas Edison in 1882 using superheated steam with engine dynamo DC in the world.
Okay, Mr. Widianto.
Yes.